back. Check the camera. The camera's good. Alright, is it straight? Good. Actually. Yeah. Yeah, it's alright. Let's see. Oh, I can point it out a bit. There. How's that? Good? Alright. Now, I'm on Turton's Road, Turtons. I just went through Beech Forest and I'm heading for Skeens Creek. This is kind of parallel to, excuse me, I just had a big lunch. It's kind of parallel to Great Ocean Road. I'm beside it. And then I saw all this forest landscape on the dial, and I thought this would be good scenery, so I brought you in. Let's see what it's like, eh? Oh, what's going on here? 60. What would I do that for? Sure. Let's have a look. Let's go slow and wait. Alright. Let's see. See what's happening around here. I don't see much happening around here. I don't see much at the corner. Oh, here we go. Let's take. Open. It's open. Not bad, eh? Turton's Road, Turtons. It's looks like a back road though. See how it's made? Oh, 40. It's around here. Town or something. Narrow road, travel safely. 40. I'd be walking if I was 40. I mean, doing 40. Far out. Right, pretty, eh? Maybe because the road's narrow. Yeah, narrow. They did say that, narrow. So take it easy peasy. Alright, well I'm narrow. I won't get in the way that much. Nice bit of road, eh? Stick to the edge. No lines here. Could get dudes coming around wide on this. And I've got passenger on the back singing again. Now I can hear her. Let's see if I can get her on the mic, eh? Every time I point the mic to her, she's shy and stops singing. Let's see if I can catch her this time. I'll just get out of these curves if I can, if they finish. Actually don't look like it's going to finish. Alright, I'll catch you singing some other time. Let's enjoy these windy bits, eh? Let's focus. Otherwise, if I don't focus, I'll end up in the ditch, and then I'll have to focus heavily on a tow truck or something, and or an ambulance. So no, we don't want to be focusing on that. So let me just focus on the nice windy. Look at that greenery, eh? Pretty cool. Gee, this is unexpected. Glad I chose to come this way. Look at that, eh? It's nice. Cool, freaking cool. like a country driveway, really. It ain't really a road. It's like a country driveway. And I can hear her singing. I'm going to focus on the road. Maybe you can hear her faintly. She's singing in the background. Going to third, just roll it, eh? I was running in second to hold the bike, but I don't really need to hold the bike because the bike's going pretty slow. Just enjoying this country road, country windy road. Just use a bit of front brake if I need to, because of the passenger on the back. Creates a bit of momentum, and for both our safeties, eh? And yeah, we're not heavy on the gear today because it's nice warm day. Bloody awesome day for riding, so we're just taking it easy, chilling. How good's this, eh? Oh, I feel the fresh air of this place. Eat your heart out, Europeans. Far out. Kicks ass. Oh, I think I can hear her. Can you hear her? Let me open the front. Huh? She shied away as soon as I pointed the mic on her. Alright, shy away. Can you hear her? Faintly. There's no one here except us. It's all ours. I reckon we should pull over and have some fun, eh? It's all ours. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah, you'd have to find him somewhere off track though. Naughty boy. The edge. You never know who's coming around these bends. And on these roads, people come around these roads thinking there's no one else there, and then when you think there's no one else there, that's when someone else is there, and that's when you're buggered, you know. So stick to the edge. Right to the edge, as far to the edge as you possibly can. Pretty cool, eh? I'm right in the middle of it. This is Forest Road. I mean, it's not called Forest Road, it's called, oh, actually it is Forest Apollo Bay Road. That's what it's called, Forest Apollo Bay Road. Pretty awesome, eh? Oh. Bloody awesome. Round, round. Oh, that's a tight one, isn't it? Actually, I should look at the Jeepers GPS. It gives me a good indication. Well, kind of indication. Yeah, I don't like. Yeah, nah, don't really like looking at GPS. I think it's more distracting than anything. I think I think you're better off learning to just read the corners in real time. Read them. You don't want to go with some freaking digital map, then it's perhaps not quite spot on, and then it throws you off completely. Yeah, unless you ran through it yourself, like the rally drivers, unless you went through it yourself and got familiar with it and knew the exact degrees of the turns and that sort of stuff, yeah, I wouldn't be leaving your life in the hands of a digital map. You gotta be able to accommodate the real life situation in front of you, which might be very close to the digital map, might be exact, but the digital map might not just show you that little extra bit of turn or something, you know? And that could be enough to put you over the edge. Hey? Oh, look at that. Oh, nice. Bloody nice. Wow. I don't want to go home now. I just want to hang around here with Cindy all day. I think I'm going to take a leak. That's what I'm going to do. Alright, bring you back.